Hello guys, today we are going to unbox Ken's Gold Optima. It's a gravity based water filter. So let us open the box. So when we open the box, we see some white color. I think it's the thing which is placed in between the filter. Okay, everything is wrapped safely in a plastic cover, so you don't have to worry about getting scratches and all. And the plastic quality is really good. So we'll remove everything and keep it aside. So this is the top part where the cover will come, where from where we pour the water and all. So let's put that aside. And this is the thing which comes in between the two vessels, that blue color two vessels which hold the water. Okay. Okay, in a packet some things are there. We'll see what is inside. So inside the bubble wrap, we can see this is a charcoal filter which removes the odor, everything from the water, the chlorine odor and all. Okay, so there is a sticker showing that before use you should remove it. So we'll see that this is from where we pour water into the filter. It is not an automatic, so we have to pour the water to the filter which filters it. So we'll see what is next. Okay, there is a syringe. This is a syringe which helps to clear the UF filter, the ultrafiltration membrane. So if something gets stuck and all, we can just push the dirt away with the syringe. So that is the use of the syringe. There's a Ken logo also in the syringe. Nice. So the next thing we can see is the UF membrane. This is the main part of the filter which filters all the dirt, bacteria, everything. Top part, bottom part. Okay, and there's a tap also which helps to pour the water from the filter. There are two washers and a Ken logo also there on the side. This is the extra two filters which they are given, which filters the, like it's a pre-filter. When we pour water, which all water is, which all dirt which water has, it just filters it. This is the top part. From where we pour the water, this is the lid of that part. And we also got a tool which helps in removing the filter, UV filter. So there are two containers, so one is kept inside the other one, so we'll try to remove it. Okay, before that, inside that there is a user manual also which tells you how to install it and other things. So we'll remove the one from the inside. Okay, let me see. I think we should just pull on the cover. Yeah, so we took both of it out. So the down part, this is the upper part and the other one is the down part. So bottom of this we puts the filter, and and this is the down part where the purified water is collected. It also has the Kent Gold logo and the hole for the pipe.
So now we will see how to install the purifier. So first thing you have to do is take the tap and unscrew the bolt from the tap, and there will be two washers. Remove one and slide it into the hole in the bottom container, and from the back again put the washer which you removed. And now take the bolt and screw it in tightly, and make sure it is tight. If it is loose, water will leak outside, so make sure it is tight. Okay, now you have to take the white ring like thing which comes in between the two containers and put it on top of the bottom container. Okay, now keep it aside, and now you can see the bottom container has a hole on the bottom where the UF filter goes in. So remove the cap from the UF filter, and for fixing just push it down, it will slide inside. You don't have to screw anything, it will just slide inside it. Yeah, now it's fixed. And make sure that that adapter which is fixed in the bottom part is tight. Maybe in the manufacturing time they won't tighten it that much, so just make sure it is tight. Make it tight. Yeah, make sure that is zero leaks. And now take the bottom container with the ring and just place it, and it will just go inside. There is nothing, no screw, nothing, just put it on top of it. And next thing what you have to do is take the other ring which goes on top of it, and there will be a hole on top of it. So now just take the filter which we kept outside. It's a charcoal filter, that is why you can see the black color. So it removes the odor, smell and all from the water, and just keep it on top of that hole and it will just go right inside. Now here is the place where we pour water. The water is first filtered and goes to the upper chamber, then with the help of UV filter it goes down, and the bottom chamber stores the pure water. With the help of the tap it releases the water which you can drink. And that's it guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped you. So any of your friends is planning to buy it, just share this video to them also, and please like and subscribe, it helps a lot. And thanks for watching. Bye.